How to fix Soliom camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power supply. Check the camera is properly connected to its power source. If using a battery-powered model, verify that the battery is charged. Confirm that your Wi-Fi network is active and stable. Test the connection by connecting another device to the same network. Fix 2. Reset the Soliom camera. Use a paper clip to press the reset button near the micro USB port on the camera. This action will reset Wi-Fi settings without affecting stored clips or software. Fix 3. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Limit the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi to prevent congestion, which can cause the camera to go offline. Fix 4. Update firmware and app. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. Search for the Soliom app. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap Update to install the latest version. For iOS devices, open the App Store. Search for the Soliom app. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button. Tap Update to install the latest version. Update the camera firmware. Check the camera is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Soliom app. Select your camera from the device list. Tap on the settings icon. Look for a firmware update or device information option. If a firmware update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Fix 6. Contact support. If issues persist, reach out to Soliom's customer support for further assistance.